Here's the dining room windows that are in. Front door will get installed when he brings the doors over. Let's look along the back side of the house. They have added a lot of dirt in this area here and built it up, so it's not so much of a drop off anymore. And here are the office windows. Man cave windows. And these two little windows are for the primary bath. But let me flip this around. I'm standing on the ground here. I'm 5'6", and the windows are at least a foot above my head. So as far as privacy goes, there should be no issue. Okay, working our way around. This is the bocce area that has been getting filled a little to work for the septic. The ground has been getting manipulated a little bit here, and this mound right here is not so much of a drop off anymore. So let me show you from this perspective. Much better gradual sloping that's happening. So we'll have little bit of flat space come off. We've got a whole staircase that is going to happen right here coming off these doors, and then starts to slope down and then gets flat where the leach lines are going to be. As far as plantings and planter beds, we might be able to do some sort of tiered step down planter beds along this slope. It did take, I would say, probably 8 or so feet off of this flat area because they had to pull back that grade. It was too steep, but I'm sure we can work something out design wise to get some sort of like tiered landscaping that comes down this hill. It's a better view of how the dirt was built up in the back here. There's a lot more of that stem wall concrete that's showing on this side of the house than there is over here, and I believe they're still going to bring some more dirt around and build this up a little bit. All that dirt that's sitting over in the roadway of the steamboat, because there's still about, looks like maybe 3 feet from the interior floor down to the ground on this side. Little less over here where the patio is, because the patio actually steps down from the main floor 1 step. But we've got bedroom windows in this little corner here, and all the windows on this side. This is the guest bedroom. And then these are the 2 fixed windows on either side of the fireplace. Here's a view of the side of the porch and the dirt area in front. This still has to get kind of manipulated a little bit, but it's a lot less of a mound and a little bit more flat. Okay, it's been a few weeks since I've been on site. We've got the fireplace starting to get framed out, and now with the windows in, starting to get a better idea of what this room's gonna look like. So again, we've got dining room, entry, kitchen.
Want me to shut the windows real quick?
You're okay.
Okay.
And then living room.